Okay, we are back and let's show you the results of what we made earlier. Okay, earlier we did a bunch of little paintings of my hometown. Remember the mountains and all kinds of little things. So let me show you my thought. Okay, now forgive me, I was out of the proper paperwork, so I tried to make some, but my knife broke. So yeah, it didn't work out too well. But anyways, these are 5x7s. And the paper I cut, by the life of me, I don't know what size they are. And I didn't measure them. I suppose we could. Let's see. These are approximately, let's see, put this here. 5x3. Okay, so they're 5x3. Oh, 3x5, I'm sorry. 3x5. So what I did is you get your little 5x7 papers, the little matted papers for inside your picture frames, and I place them on here before I attach them. Uh-oh, a piece of probably puppy hair. I got 4 of them. And then you place your top piece on it, the part with the viewfinder, the cutout, for those that don't know, and you place it on here before you decide to attach anything. Discover this is what you want. Feel free to move stuff around so you can see the whole creation of what you made and see where you like it the best. I actually like that. But let's just keep working with it and let's see what happens here. And you just pick out what you like the best. I'm actually going to go ahead and get a hold of this and bring this down just a wee bit. Remember, it is not connected, so it should be easy enough to move around. As you can tell, it's not connected. And I'm just going to place it, find the area in which I want it, that I like best, since I'm the one that's going to be looking at it for right now, you know, after this video is what I mean. And those that think they're kind of dull, they are, but I did not spray them with a fine finish or anything like this, or gloss. They just are exactly as they were once they dried from the acrylic paint. I really like this section here, so what I'm going to do is, I know I want this section here to show more. I'm just going to kind of scoot this over a little bit. Now notice it's not even, but that's okay, because I just really want this section. I love the colors. Okay, so now normally I would have acid-free tape, but unfortunately it's in a storage box and I could not find it by the life of me. So I'm just going to take a very tiny bit of this tape on the top, so I can always pull it off once I find the proper tape, and just fasten it down. Feel free to take this and put it back on and make sure it's exactly what you like. See, and I think it needs some adjustment because I wanted more of the colors. And I like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully remove it. And I just lost the whole thing, but we're just going to do it this way anyways. And I'm just going to lower it down because I knew it was about there. And go ahead and put this back on here because I know it's going to have to go right there. I don't have to attach it just yet. Feel free to take your little top of your viewfinder back on here and place it over where it's going to be going, and see if you like that section. And I still really like more of the color, so because I'm going to lower it and hopefully it'll hide this section. We'll see. It may not, but that's because my papers are small. Oh, there we go. Okay, okay, I can handle that. So this will work. Make sure that tape's down because I'm just going to go with that because it keeps moving on me. And I'm just going to take 2 more pieces because once again, I do not have the top piece, the proper tape. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach 2 small pieces of tape, should be smaller than that. 1 on each end to hold it. And normally I would take my viewfinder and put it this way and put the acid-free here, and then just fold it over because my picture is already on there and it's already in place, and that will just hold it in my frame. After we're done with this, there is one more section you can do. other than a frame until you find a frame you want or sell your work, whatever the case may be, which is a cover. These covers, you simply take them out. I try to keep them in here just to protect them. You just simply grab yourself one of your covers. Make sure you seal it and just place it out of your way for now. And then you're going to go ahead and find the opening. You want this part here to be at the back. So we're going to flip it and slide it in. Okay. And once it's in, turn it around, take a look at it, see if you actually do like it. I'm not going to seal it because I do want to get the true forms here, not the ones I cut out with a broken knife. So this is going to be the final cup until you take them wherever you're going to do with them, or do what you're going to do with them. These will eventually maybe not go to the sell. I don't think I would sell these unless something was specifically interested in something specific. I just saw something, wanted to play around with them. Now let me show you what the other ones look like. There was a total of 5 different ones. Here's one of them. I really love this one. This is very much, let me turn it, I don't know why my camera is the wrong way, but this is very much what I see every morning right now, is just these basic simple little colors. Once our season changes, it'll be a different story. And then here's another one. I don't know why my camera is that way, oh my goodness. So sorry about the inconvenience of the way the camera is really all sitting right now. Let's see if we can just turn them this way. Maybe not, that's okay. Let me show you the next one. This is the one with the sunflowers. Remember, it's kind of abstract, they all are. Let's see if I can just flip it. Oh, I sewed it at the bottom. I did this one backwards, as I can tell now. But anyways, it is sealed. I love this one. I love the colors and the fact that this is the sunflowers we are still seeing, surprisingly, right now, despite the fact it's so bloody, unbelievably hot. And then this one here, little darker mountains towards the evening with the sunset. I just love stuff like this. It's real simple. It's all done with my fingers. There is no tools used for this, no paintbrushes, nothing, just my hands. And then once again, it's just something for fun. So you can make art pretty much just with bare hands. All you got to do is use your imagination, take your projects you want, and go with the ideal. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. And if something changes while you make it, it's okay, because it simply wasn't meant to go the way you thought it was going to go. Just a happy little new adventure. Once again, everybody, thank you so much for joining me. And as always, be blessed.